In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove animation in Canva step by step. If you're working on a presentation, social media post, video, or design and you've added an animation by mistake, or you simply want a clean and static design, this tutorial is for you. This method works for text, elements, and designs that already have animations applied, and you don't need any advanced Canva skills to follow along. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Canva tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Log into your Canva account using your email, Google, or any login method you normally use. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Canva home screen. From here, you'll see all of your recent designs, templates, and folders. Next, locate the design that contains the animation you want to remove. This could be a presentation slide, an Instagram post, a video design, or any Canva file that has animated text or elements. Click on the file to open it in the Canva editor. Once your design is open, take a moment to identify which part of the design is animated. You can do this by clicking play or previewing the page to see what moves. Now, click directly on the animated text or element that you want to fix. Make sure it's selected because the animation options will only appear when the correct element is highlighted. After selecting the animated text or element, look at the top toolbar in the Canva editor. You'll see a button labeled Animate. Click on the Animate button to open the animation panel. This panel shows you all the animation effects currently applied to that element, such as fade, slide, pop, or any custom motion. Inside the animation panel, look for the option that says Remove Animation. Click on Remove Animation and instantly the animation will be cleared from that text or element. You'll notice that it no longer moves when you preview the design. That's all there is to it. Your animation has now been successfully removed. If your design has multiple animated elements, simply repeat the same steps for each one. Click the element, open the Animate menu, and choose Remove Animation. If you want to remove animations from an entire page or slide, make sure you're selecting each animated item individually, since Canva applies animations per element. Once you're done removing animations, preview your design one more time to confirm everything looks exactly how you want. Finally, don't forget to save your changes or download your design in your preferred format. And that's how you remove animation in Canva quickly and easily. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.